What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's super late out, but on today's episode we're going to talk about the top 3 problems with the Chevy Avalanche. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? Gotta lift this up a little bit more. So what's going on? We're going to talk about the top 3 problems of this Chevy Avalanche, and the first problem we're going to talk about is the encoder motor. Now, the encoder motor, it helps with the 4-wheel drive. Sometimes the problems with it is it doesn't know what positions in either neutral or the 4-wheel drive or whatever. Problems that you'll get with that is the 4-wheel drive won't work. You'll get a code in the 4-wheel drive module, and it'll just give you issues with the 4-wheel drive. Sometimes the lights might flash on the dash with the 4-wheel indicator, making you think that the switch is bad or something like that. Sometimes it's the encoder motor. Now, what you want to do with that is you just go underneath. You can check the wiring. Sometimes they're a little bit loose. Play around with it. See if it's cut, if anything's wrong with it. 90% of the time, it's just the encoder motor that they go. I've actually replaced mine, and I did a video on that, so I'll leave that in the link in the description below. Number 2 is the plastic. Now, a lot of these Avalanche, the first generation Avalanche like my one, has all these plastics on them, and they fade. They got the plastic in the front bumper, plastic all over here, and even the plastic up here, as well as the plastic here, plastic in the rear bumper, and we call this the cladding. Now, these claddings fade over time, and it's just a problem that Chevy had with every single first gen. I don't think there's one of them out there, original from factory, with the cladding still in the black color that it needs to be. Chevy eventually did away with these claddings because they knew them to be a problem. So all that we have to do is you buy some trim restoration spray and you spray it back. I actually have a video on me doing that, and I'll leave that in the link in the description below for you guys. The third problem with the Chevy Avalanche is, unfortunately, the tailgate handle. Now, there is not one Avalanche out there that I know that has not have a broken tailgate handle, and I'm sure a lot of you guys on YouTube are going to tell me that yours never had a broken tailgate handle, but this one did. My tailgate handle was broken when I first bought it. It was actually non-existent. Ended up purchasing one. I don't know if I have a video of me changing one out. I think I do. I think I remember putting a video of me removing it, but not installing the new one. I'll look for it, but if I do have it, that'll be in the link in the description below. I really don't know what causes that plastic on the handle to just break, and for some reason, every single one that I've seen breaks in the same exact way. So I don't know if there's some weak point on that specific point of that handle, but to me, if they're all breaking in that same spot, it's most likely because there is a weak point in that plastic over time. So that is the top 3 problems with the Chevy Avalanche. Obviously, there are more problems that go along with this vehicle, just like every other vehicle out there. Now, that doesn't make this vehicle a bad vehicle. These are actually really great trucks. So I don't want you to think, just because I gave you the top 3 problems of this truck, I don't want you to think that this is something you can't purchase and this is something that you wouldn't be able to work with well. This truck, it's really good. The engine is good. The transmission, to me, is good. Obviously, when I bought this, I haven't had transmission issues yet because, well, yeah, I don't want to say yet, or actually I haven't had transmission issues and I'm hoping never to have them. But when I bought this, the original owner replaced the trans, and it's been running beautifully since. When I got it, I rebuilt the engine. If you haven't seen that episode and series, I'll definitely leave the playlist in the link in the description for you guys, so check it out because it's super fun, super cool, and you're going to learn a lot in that one. So since rebuilding this motor, it's ran great, and it still runs great. Now it needs some little bit of suspension work, I think. I hear noises, and I just want to check all that stuff out. So other than that, guys, this is a great truck. They don't make these anymore. They're not, well, yet. Apparently, there's rumors coming out that there's another one coming, but they don't make them anymore as of right now. These trucks are amazing. Mid-gate drops. You can get inside from the bed to the cabin. It's great. So if you are in the market for one of these trucks, just because I pointed out those little problems, don't let it stop you from getting this truck, because this truck is such a great truck. Seriously, I am in love with this. You can talk to any Avalanche owner. They will tell you how much they love this truck. So with that being said, please make sure you subscribe to King Customs if you have not. Also, make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you know of any other problems with the Avalanche, definitely leave it in the comment section below so we can help other people out before they make their choice. But if you're going to choose between another truck and this Avalanche, I definitely say get the Avalanche, guys. With that being said, I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.